Audiobook The Corcovado Rainforest by Rodrigo and Bianca. Topic Forest Deforestation, 4th grade. Objectives Learn key vocabulary about deforestation in the rainforest and identify the simple present in sentences.
Mary, Peter, and Carla are three scarlet macaws that live in the Corcovado rainforest. They like to play with each other on the top of the trees, and the food they eat is in the almendro tree.
Carla says, Mary, Peter, look! Humans are cutting trees. Mary says, the trees that gives us food. And Peter says, the trees where we sleep in.
Carla says, "What are you gonna do, Peter?" "We need to call all the animals to help." Mary says, "Great idea! Let's fly around and call everyone."
All the animals in the rainforest gather together. The jaguar says, what is going on here? And Mary says, guys, there are humans destroying the rainforest. All the animals are looking really scared.
The jaguar is the chief of all the animals. He organizes the animals to investigate what the humans are doing. And now he is going to tell the animals what to do to save their home.
Peter, Carla, Mary, fly and see where they are cutting the trees now. Monkeys, you jump from tree to tree and find out what trees they are cutting. Animals, we are going to save our home.
The jaguar says, "I have a good human friend, Carlos. He raised me when I was a cub. I know he can help us to stop the humans. I can talk to him."
Carlos and the jaguar talk about this problem, and Carlos agrees to help the animals. They decide together that Carlos is going to talk to the president of the country. And after Carlos speaks to the president decided to stop deforestation in the Corcovado rainforest.
The animals won. They are happy and safe. And by protecting the forest, we also protect the animals. The Corcovado rainforest gives food, shelter, and security to a multitude of species. The Corcovado rainforest also produces a lot of oxygen and cleans the air.
Let's reflect on this topic. Forest deforestation questions. How many characters participate in this story? What is the main problem of the audiobook? How can we protect the Corcovado rainforest? And what are you doing to prevent deforestation?